In this video, I'm going to show you how to download free games on the Nintendo Switch. Now, to do this, you need to be logged in to your Nintendo Switch and then also be linked to a Nintendo account. And then once you have that done, then we're going to go on this bottom navigation and we're going to go to the Nintendo eShop. So select the Nintendo eShop and then click on your Nintendo account profile that you're using. And then once it opens the Nintendo eShop, we're going to go up to search, browse, and then we're going to go down and we're going to browse by filter. And we're going to browse by filter using price range. And then here in the price range section, we're going to scroll down until we're at free. We can see the free downloads. And then now we're going to go down and click view more. And then here is where you can filter all of the free games that is available on the Nintendo Switch. And these are free games and various free apps that you can download. So scroll until you find a free game that you want to download. And once you find a game that you want to play, you go ahead and select it. And then you're going to want to go to the right and then select free download. And you want to scroll down and then you can select free download. And that's it. It'll start downloading to your Nintendo Switch. So you go ahead and click close. And then it'll be installing your virtual card. And then that is how you can download free games on the Nintendo Switch and where you can find them in the Nintendo eShop. Hopefully you found this helpful. Thanks for tuning in.